Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you guys be updated. But I'm working on the 2013 Honda Civic LX. Working on the engine torque rod right now. I'm under the car, so the torque rod is right next to the oil drain bolt. So right now you can see the torque rod is completely broken, and I'm gonna put my pry bar in here and I can check it's moving a lot. You can see my new torque rod for the engine. I bought this from AutoZone. Here's the part number, or you can see it on here too, the part number. And there's 3 bolts holding on to it. 1, 2, 3. That's it. And this is completely broken off. You can see it's pretty bad. Now for you to put the torque rod in, so I kind of put it at an angle like this, and then I kind of hammered it in from here to get it to slide in, and then I twist it straight with the bracket right here, and now you can see it's almost lined up with the hole, and right here too. So I'm just gonna keep hammering it a little bit till it lined up. Just a little bit more, keep working on it. For me to get this lined up, you're gonna have to hit like both of them, like this piece right here, hit this part. I use a hammer to hammer from here so it slides back into the hole, but for me to line it up, I have to use a flathead like this and shove it in, and then hammer from the back here, so that way it lines up with the hole for the bolt to go straight up. I also hit it from the top too. There's a top piece right there, same exact thing. I use it, the flathead hammer from the back here, and then once it's lined up, fully lined up, you should be able to put the bolt in. If it's slightly off, just shove the screwdriver in and kind of wiggle the torque rod so that way it line up straight with the bolt, and then tighten it down with hand. This one also, and just shoot it back, not too crazy. That's it. That's it. I also changed the right side engine mount. Forgot to do the video on it, but if you guys wanted how to take it out, there's only 2 bolts right here, the ground bolt for the engine, the 214, and then the 217 on the mount, and then remove the 10 millimeter off from this AC line bracket. So once you take all of that out, make sure before you take the mount out, make sure you have the floor jack, have it support the engine from the oil pan. Have a piece of wood in between it too, not just the floor jack making contact with the oil pan. Make sure you have a piece of wood to support it, so that way it doesn't crack the aluminum. So once you have the floor jack in, and then you can take all these bolts out and then slap in the new one. So right now I have the engine running. So before, when I put it into any kind of gear, the engine would jerk back and forth like really hard, and you can feel it. And then when you put it into drive, you can hear the vibration like of the engine. So that's indication of a bad engine mount. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. You have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.